Dr. Zarovek scrolled through the preliminary report on Earth's fauna, her elongated antennae twitching with increasing confusion. The human classification system defied all known xenobiological conventions. What kind of species would describe a massive predator as murder floof, or a venomous serpent as danger noodle? The Galactic Xenobiology Consortium had assigned her team to catalog Earth's wildlife, a task that was quickly becoming the most perplexing mission in her career. Humans seemed to possess an inexplicable ability to transform terror into adorability with nothing more than linguistic creativity. Take the drop bear, for instance. Initial scans suggested a creature of absolute nightmare potential, a marsupial capable of dropping from trees with predatory precision, armed with razor-sharp claws and powerful musculature. Yet humans spoke of it with an almost affectionate dismissiveness, as if it were some harmless woodland creature. "Professor," her junior researcher Crix interrupted, holding a holographic projection of a creature labeled Murder Mittens, which the data clearly identified as a small feline predator with retractable blades capable of shredding most medium-sized mammals. "I'm struggling to understand the human classification system." Zara adjusted her translation matrix. The human tendency to weaponize cuteness was becoming a serious scientific conundrum. The research team had discovered a pattern that defied all known xenological understanding. Humans didn't just name dangerous creatures, they transformed them into something almost endearing. A creature that could literally kill you might be called Spicy Sky Raisin or Danger Noodle, terms that suggested more playful curiosity than mortal terror. Their preliminary report was becoming less a scientific document and more a comedic linguistic study. Denoprope, a venomous serpent, murder mittens, domestic cat, and trash panda were just the beginning. What the alien researchers hadn't yet comprehended was humanity's unique psychological adaptation, their ability to diffuse terror through linguistic humor. Where other species might retreat in fear, humans approach danger with a combination of respect, humor, and remarkable adaptability. The tension reached its peak during the team's analysis of Australian wildlife. The continent alone seemed designed to challenge every known biological survival metric. Creatures like the platypus, a mammalian egg layer with venomous spurs, and the aforementioned drop bear seemed to exist solely to challenge scientific understanding. "The classifications make no logical sense," Crix exclaimed, throwing holographic displays into disarray. "A creature capable of delivering neurotoxin is called a spicy danger noodle? How is this a scientific approach?" Dr. Vex's breakthrough came unexpectedly. During a cross-referencing of human communication archives, she discovered the underlying mechanism. Humans used humor as a psychological defense mechanism. By transforming potential threats into comical entities, they reduced their own fear response and maintained cognitive flexibility in dangerous situations. The cute nicknames weren't just linguistic quirks, they were a sophisticated evolutionary strategy. When the Galactic Xenobiology Consortium received their final report, it would revolutionize the understanding of planetary adaptation. Humans hadn't just survived on a planet filled with deadly creatures, they had psychologically domesticated them through linguistic alchemy. Dr. Vex leaned back, her compound eyes reflecting a newfound respect for the human species. They weren't just survivors, they were masters of psychological judo, transforming terror into something manageable through nothing more than wordplay and an inexhaustible sense of humor. The universe, she realized, would never be the same.